Hard water spots on car windows can be annoying and make your car look dirty. If not cleaned properly, they can become difficult to remove. Luckily, you can use simple and quick ways to get rid of hard water spots on your car windows. Lemon is great for cleaning car windows because it has natural acids that help break down dirt, grease, and water stains. First, take a lemon and cut it in half using a knife. Next, pour some salt into a bowl. Dip the cut side of the lemon into the salt, making sure it attaches to the lemon. Then, scrub the lemon and salt mixture onto the car window for about 10 minutes. Afterward, sprinkle fresh water onto the window to rinse off all the lemon juice and salt. Next, clean the car window with a microfiber cloth. Then sprinkle the soapy water to the window to remove any remaining residue, then spray water to rinse it. Finally, wipe the window with a paper towel. You can see that the water stains on the car window have been removed. Dishwashing liquid soap is effective for cleaning car windows because it helps break down grease, dirt, and grime. Take a water bottle and add a few drops of dishwashing liquid soap to it. Shake the bottle well to mix the soap with the water. Next, sprinkle this mixture onto the car windows. Use a dishwashing scrubber to gently scrub the window. After scrubbing, clean the window with a microfiber cloth to remove any residue. You can see that your car windows are clean and free from hard water spots. Car Window Cleaner is a product designed to clean glass surfaces, removing dirt, dust, and smudges. It helps make windows clear and shiny, leaving no streaks behind. Chemical Guy's Car Window Cleaner helps clean windows quickly and easily, leaving them streak-free. Spray it directly onto the glass surface. Wipe it off with a clean microfiber cloth to remove dirt and streaks. For best results, use a dry cloth to buff the window to a clear, shiny finish. So, by applying these effective methods and product, you can remove hard water spots from car windows quickly.